Good morning, YouTube family. Uh, I'm going to do a lunchtime drill so early so that most of the guys they don't miss out on this one. I am very skeptical and I know what I'm talking about. I'm so confident of my numbers, right? I'm so confident of my numbers. All right, lunchtime. Lunchtime, I gave you bonus 33. If you remember the bonuses I gave you, right? If you remember, if somebody has been watching, I gave you bonus 13, bonus 31, then I gave you 33, and I gave you bonus 11, right? I wrote them like this, if you remember correctly. And our bonus came on T, right? Remember I told you that I know my strategy is back, it is working. So the delay, I don't know what could have caused the delay, but always this close, right? I'm going to give you a bonus again, right? I'm going to give you a bonus again, and we take it from there. All right. Then tea time. Tea time. I gave you numbers from a code 8180, right? Code 180 was giving me 8, 10, 18, 28. Two numbers scam, right? Two numbers scam. I'm going to give you numbers again from the same specific code, but with the different numbers. It's 132. This is what I'm getting from the same calculation. We're still checking this calculation if it's gonna be consistent. If it's gonna be paying out every day, I will show you how to calculate it yourself, right? So we've got 32, 13, 12, then we've got 32. Those are the first numbers that we see from here. Okay, these are clear numbers that we see from there. You can now add 15. You can now add 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is 6. Okay, those are the numbers that I'm getting from this code. Basically, this code is giving out two numbers. Is giving out two numbers. In the afternoon, I have got a code 48, right? Code 48, 4, 8, and 48. Then you can add, you get a 12. So there you have got 4 and 8, 4 and 48. Okay, that's exactly how this code is working. I've checked in the previous results. I've checked in the previous results and I've seen that this code is actually working. It gives about two specific numbers, right? Two specific numbers. Okay, my first bonus of the day. My first bonus of the day, 7. This is my first bonus of the day, followed by 5. Okay, I'm giving you about 5 bonuses today. Okay, all right, let's push. I'm gonna do the first sequence. I'll do the first sequence for you, which is giving us a single. Okay, if we are going to the draw order, I'm gonna start with the draw order. So we have right 30 minus 25, equals to 5 here, plus 1 equals to 6. 6 here. The next one is 45 and 21. 45 minus 21 equals to 24. 24 is sitting here. The next one is these two numbers. 17 plus 11 equals to 28. Here is 28. The next one is 48 and 29. Equals to 19. 19 I'm happy with. This is a number that I'm saying you can even bet it with 1 to 49. You can even play this number alone. 1 to 49. Okay? That sequence is actually straightforward. That sequence is good. Let's go to the next sequence. Okay. 3 here. 20 over here. 20 minus 3 equals 17. 17 comes here. 7 and 11. 11 minus 7 equals to 4. There is 4 over there. 6 and 28, 24. 24 plus or minus 6 equals to 18 and 30. 18, 30. Two numbers came, right? Now we've got 4 and 21. 21 plus or minus 4 equals to 17 and 25. You can see the way 25 has been playing. It's not yet done. It's still doing whatever it's doing. So don't sleep on that number, right? Okay. What is the next one? Starting from 5 and 30. 5 and 30. Right? 30 minus 5 equals to 25, right? 25 is also sitting here, plus 1 is 26. 45 minus 20 equals to 25. 25 is sitting here. Actually, it's not like this. It's actually going from, this is 25, so you cancel here, you take this one. Okay, 25, like 45 minus 20 is what? 25 as well. You cancel here, you go to the next one, right? So here it proves us correctly. 11, 44. 44 minus 11 equals to 33. It came as a bonus. 24, 48. 48 minus 24 equals to 24. Cancel here, and then 24 on top. Yeah, that's exactly what we're talking about. Okay, now let me give you the next bonuses. The next bonuses is 25. The next bonus is 27. Remember, I said I'm giving you 5 bonuses. I've given you 4 so far, left with 1 bonus. Okay. All right, let me give you another banger as well. Then I'll give you the last bonus, starting from bonus 17. Bonus 17 is lunchtime and the first ball in the next lunchtime draw, right? So we're saying 17 plus 3 equals to 20. 20 there. Just watch closely. Watch very closely. Bonus 8 and 3 here. 8 plus 3 equals to 11. Cancel here. 11 on top. 27 and that 7 there. 27 plus 7 equals to 34, which is 43. There you are. It's 22 and 6. 22 plus 6 equals to 28. Okay, just watch very closely. This is one of the best bankers that we have. Okay, so we've got 43 plus or minus 4 equals to 39 and 47. You can see how good this banker is. It's very, very good. The consistency on the calculation, it keeps on giving, right? It's very, very good. Okay, so now I want to show you something starting from bonus 8, right? I'll put a star on this number, then I'll put a star on this number, then I'll put a star on this one, star on 26. Okay, let's do these ones for now, right? It's the last 3 numbers, the last 3 numbers that I'm looking at, right? So look at 37. 37 brings 7 and 7, right? 47 and 27, right? So basically there is 7, 17, 27 and 37 played, so the left one will be 47, right? Then we have got 45. 45 brings 5 and 25, right? So we say 37 brought this 2. The next one is 30, which brings the zeros, great. Then we have got the 6 coming from 26 and the 6 here. You see how the last 3 numbers are giving out 2 numbers, right? So now we've said this brings here. We look into the next one. 25 give us 2 on lunch, right? 48 gives us 2. You understand? So the 8 came because it's one of those ones that was also missing. The 6 came because it was one of those that are missing, right? So looking at the numbers that are missing now, we have played the 7, we have played from the 7, we've played the 5, we've played the zeros, we've played the 6, and we have so let's go back a bit so that you can see what I'm saying. We've played the 7, we've played the 5 again here, so this is a 5, and on this line we are playing the 0, right? So we start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So we played the 7, we cancelled the 7, we played the 5 twice, and then we played the 6, and then we've just played the 8 on T, and we played the 0 side. Okay, then what's next? The 6 they've played, and also 44 brought the 4s, right? 44 brought the 4s, and 25 brought the 5s again. 8 brought the 48 brought the 8s. We together. So that means we are now left with the 1s, right? 2s and 3s. But if we look at these numbers that are here, we've got 8, we've got 0, and we've got 6. I would say to myself, numbers that could be coming from that one could be the 10, 20, 40, right? Let's not play it. Let's look first and see what is going on. This is another way of reducing how many numbers you are playing. You know, this is a very good way of reducing how many numbers that you will be playing. You group the numbers according to the similarity of the ending numbers, right? Okay, so that's another scenario that I wanted to explain to you guys so that you can also understand what's going on. All right, so now I'm giving you my favorite bonus for tomorrow's lunch, my best bonus for tomorrow's lunch. I'm confident of my numbers. 40. This is my best bonus for tomorrow. I can even play 19 single with bonus 40. I can even do that. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much, and enjoy.